What's up, YouTube? This is my unboxing of my Jordan Tacti 12 from hiphopLP.com. It came in today. Shipping was 7-8 days. And let's just see how these bad boys are. Sorry, let me just get that. So, came in this Jordan box. As you can see, not that bad. Does it slide out? Yep, slide out. Got this nice 11. And here is the shoe. Got the nice snake skin right here. Got the 2-3 in the middle. And got this little golden lace lock. Says Jordan 23 on the back. And the carbon fiber. Everything looks good. I barely seen no paint flaws at all. A little flaw right there, but I can fix that. It's nothing big. I also got keychains, but they look cool though. Red 11, Space Jam, got my Concord, and that's it. Thanks for watching.